Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 4 of our Stoic philosophy journey. In the last episode, we discussed one of the most powerful Stoic teachings, understanding what you can control and what you cannot control. That lesson showed us how to reduce stress by focusing only on our thoughts, choices, and actions. Today, we are going to explore a topic that many people misunderstand about Stoicism, the role of emotions in Stoicism. Many people think Stoics are cold, emotionless, and distant. They imagine a Stoic as someone who never feels sadness, anger, excitement, or love. But this is a misunderstanding. Stoicism does not teach us to eliminate emotions. Instead, it teaches us to understand emotions, manage them, and respond wisely. In today's episode, we will learn, do Stoics suppress emotions or guide them? Why emotions are natural but reactions are choices? The difference between harmful and healthy emotions, and how to respond to emotions without losing control. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin. One of the biggest myths about Stoicism is that Stoics try to remove emotions completely. But this is not true. Stoics believed emotions are natural responses to events. Feeling fear, sadness, joy, or anger is part of being human. You cannot stop emotions from appearing, but you can choose how to respond to them. Stoic philosophy makes an important distinction. Emotions arise automatically, but reactions are voluntary. For example, if someone insults you, you may feel anger immediately. That feeling is natural, but shouting back, fighting, or reacting impulsively, that is a choice. Stoics did not deny emotions, they studied emotions. They believed understanding emotions give power over them, and power over emotions leads to peace. Stoics divided emotions into two categories: harmful emotions and healthy emotions. Harmful emotions are those driven by false beliefs or exaggerated reactions. Example: uncontrolled anger, extreme jealousy, fear based on imagination, panic without reason. These emotions disturb peace. They create chaos inside the mind. Healthy emotions, on the other hand, are balanced and guided by reason. Examples include calm happiness, gratitude, compassion, rational caution. Healthy emotions strengthen character. They support wise decision making. Stoics believed the goal is not emotional emptiness, the goal is emotional clarity, not removing emotions but refining them. Anger is one of the strongest emotions humans experience, and Stoics paid special attention to anger. They believed anger is dangerous because it clouds judgment. When anger takes control, reason disappears. You may say words you regret. You may act in ways you later regret. Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote extensively about anger. He described anger as temporary madness. Why? Because anger makes people act irrationally. Stoics suggested slowing down reactions. When anger rises, pause, take a breath, delay your response, ask yourself, is this reaction helpful? Often, anger fades when time passes. And when anger fades, clarity returns. This is why Stoics valued patience. Patience weakens anger, reason defeats impulse. Fear is another powerful emotion, and much of human anxiety comes from fear of uncertainty. Fear of losing, fear of failing, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. Stoics believed fear often grows from imagination. We imagine worst case scenarios. We predict disasters that never happen. And these imagined fears feel real. Stoicism teaches examine fear logically. Ask yourself, is this danger real or imagined? If danger is real, prepare. If danger is imagined, release it. Stoics practiced mental preparation. They imagined possible challenges in advance, not to panic, but to prepare calmly. This reduced fear and strengthened confidence. One important Stoic habit is self observation. This means watching your emotions without judgment. Instead of reacting immediately, observe the feeling. Notice what triggered this emotion. How intense is it? How long does it last? This awareness creates distance between feeling and action, and that distance gives you choice. Without awareness, reactions become automatic. With awareness, reactions become intentional. Stoics believed awareness creates control. The more you understand your emotions, the less they control you. Emotional strength does not mean never feeling pain. It means staying steady during emotional storms. Stoics practiced small habits to build strength. For example, reflecting at the end of the day, asking, what upset me today? How did I respond? What could I do better tomorrow? This daily reflection improved emotional discipline. Another practice was visualization, imagining difficult situations, preparing responses in advance. This created emotional readiness, and readiness reduced panic. Emotional strength grows slowly, but with practice, it becomes natural. Today, emotions are often triggered by social media, work stress, personal relationships, financial pressure. These triggers create emotional overload, but Stoic principles still apply. Pause before reacting, think before responding, choose reason over impulse. Modern life may be fast, but calm thinking is timeless. Stoicism helps create emotional stability, even in chaotic environments, and stability creates confidence. So, today we explored the role of emotions in Stoicism. We learned that Stoics did not suppress emotions, they understood them, guided them, and responded to them wisely. Remember, emotions are natural, but reactions are choices. And the ability to guide emotions is a sign of strength. In tomorrow's episode, day 7, we will explore negative visualization, preparing the mind for challenges. This powerful Stoic exercise helps reduce fear, increase gratitude, and build mental resilience. That's all for today. Check the description section for today's vocabulary words with meanings and examples. And if this lesson helped you, share your thoughts or feedback. Your voice strengthens this journey. Until next time, stay calm, stay aware, stay stoic. Now, I will just pronounce today's vocabulary. The first word is impulse. Second, regulation. Third, turmoil. Fifth, tranquility. Fifth, irrational. Sixth, reactionary. Seventh, stabilize. Eighth, reflection. Ninth, sensitivity. And tenth, mindfulness. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next podcast. Till then, bye bye and take care.